Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. So today I wanted to show you what is in my trunk club. I actually was really curious about trunk club, so I went ahead and I joined on January 17th. I got my first trunk and I wanted a trunk for like winter and winter wear before I went to Minnesota. I really liked it. I ended up keeping this like turtleneck that I got from the trunk club stylist, and this time around I wanted to do something for spring, but I specifically asked for like spring date night apparel, and I'm just so excited to share what's in my trunk club. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It is a giant box. It looks like a trunk. That's why they call it Trunk Club. I did some research. This video is not sponsored by them. I did some research and I found out that Trunk Club, Nordstrom's actually bought Trunk Club. So a lot of the clothes that you see, you can actually find at Nordstrom. So that's really interesting. And you know, just like any style company that will ship out your clothes, you have to do a questionnaire, you have a chat with a stylist, tell them what your needs are and things like that. Tell them whether or not you are petite or if you like clothes that are form-fitting, clothes that are loose. I personally like maybe a little bit in the middle, but most of the time, all day, every day is more like loose. For date night, I wanted it to be, you know, cuter than usual. So let's get started and see what's inside, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, and by the way, I'm all over the place because I'm so excited to share this. It's just, you know, casual friends talking about like, oh, here's what I got in my box. But the box is $25 for the styling fee, and you return anything and everything you don't want, and then if you want to keep something, you pay for it, just like any other service, kind of like Stitch Fix. So let's get started. The first thing I want to share, these are Panacea earrings. I'm totally feeling them. Like, what do you guys think? It's like hoops, but at the same time it has the tassel. I like the tassel. I really do. What do you guys think? I like it. And I looked at the price. It's $24, which is, you know, pretty good price. And the name Panacea, it reminds me of a YouTuber I used to watch. She's no longer on YouTube making videos, but she's one of the first makeup YouTubers I ever watched, and she has really amazing videos. Yeah, so I don't know, it just reminds me of her. And then the next thing I got is this top in my box. Justin loves this top. This top is really cute, but I checked the price. It is extremely expensive, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna treat myself or not, but I just wanted to try it on and show you guys. And since I have to show you guys more things, let me just show you guys what's inside before I continue and change a bunch of different things and try them on. So I'm going to open up the box. I already took some out just to see. And also everything comes in plastic. So you have to like open up the plastic, remove all the clothes from the plastic and things like that. So I did that ahead of time. And the first thing I got, this is a size 6 Sam Edelman. So let's see what's in here. Okay, I see. So these are, I'm not sure if I'm colorblind or not, but these look like they're black. Or are they navy blue? Let me just read this right now to make sure. They're black. Why did they look navy blue to me? Anyways, these are black pumps. These are cute, but I honestly don't need new black pumps. And I probably should have shared that with a stylist, but these are really cute. I love a pointy toe, and I have quite a few pointy toes. And of course, perfect for a date night, a spring date night, or all year round, because black pumps, you could wear it to work. You can wear it, well, if your work is that kind of job, you know, where you wear like pumps like this, you can wear it to work or date night, night out, and things like that. This is good, but I already own a couple pairs. This one is by Jeffrey Campbell. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, dang. These are cute. These are really cute. Do you guys see these? It has embroidery. Wow. I don't have any slip-on shoes like this. And it's really chunky. Wow. This is also in a size 6. This looks really cute. I have to see whether or not it fits because I'm in between sizes. I was a 7 when I first gave birth to Jacob, but now my feet are slowly shrinking. I don't know how that's happening. But now I'm more like 6.5. But we'll see. But then like with Tory Burch, like sandals and stuff, I'm still a 7. I feel like their shoes run small. But we'll see whether or not these fit. I'll like try these all on. And because I haven't tried it all I haven't tried anything on yet. I'm just really excited. Like, I got the box and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to film today. That's how excited I was. I was gonna film a trunk club video in January, but it got so crazy and busy, and we were going to Minnesota real quick, so like I just couldn't do that video for you guys. But if you guys are interested in like having me show you guys what's in my trunk club, I will happily do so. And then you guys, look at this clutch. This clutch is everything. When I asked for a spring date night, they surely threw spring at me with the florals, all the floral embroidery heels, the floral top. They just threw it. They're like, bam, the flowers. This is so freaking beautiful. Like I was telling Justin, I was like, I'm not sure whether or not I want to keep it or not, because how often do we go on date night? Honestly, maybe once every 3 months. That's just how it is. You know, we have date night inside our house in a room and we watch, you know, Netflix, we watch a movie. But like going out, actually dressing up is very rare. But this is gorgeous, you guys. And let me actually get the piece of paper that has all the descriptions, because I think that would be very helpful, right? So it comes right here. But sometimes the prices, man, the prices be shocking me. But then, of course, you know, there are like brands that you find at Nordstrom and things like that. That's why they are pretty pricey. So let's see. The Jeffrey Campbell Mules, $189 that I showed you guys. The, what else did I show you guys? The Sam Edelman Pointy Toe, $119. Clutch was $68. And this is actually $68, so it's actually not as expensive as I thought. So this might be something that I'm gonna keep, but I just thought I'd give you guys all the prices. And let me show you guys other things. They sent over this blazer, a white blazer. You guys, this just doesn't look like it would fit me well, so I already know it's not something that I would want to keep. And then, you guys, I found something that I love. So I can't wait to try it on to see whether or not I want to keep it. But I don't have anything like this, and I love the way it looks. Like it's lace, it's got bell sleeve, it's pink, it's everything I love. And the length looks great because it's a size 4 petite, so I'm hoping that it would fit. Like, I love the way it looks. Like, I love it. I'd be so excited if it fit. This is really cute too. I actually remember having a skirt like this back in the day. It's a pink dress, and it's by Felicity and Coco. It says it's $118, and it looks like that. I like it. I like it a lot, but I'm not quite sure. Everything has to be tried on beforehand. Oh, and of course, let me go over the pricing, you guys. Let's go over the price. Eliza J dress that I like with the bell sleeve and the lace, that is $168, and you know, for something that you can wear pretty often, that might be something that's a good choice. And this dress is also by Eliza J, size 4 petite. It's floral. It's like a high-low type of dress. I think it's pretty, and I wish that I got this, like, you know, before Easter. But other than that, I don't think I will be wanting to get that. And that dress is also Eliza J. It's coral, and that's $158. So it's $10 cheaper than the pink blush one that I really like. This is actually a really cute dress. This is a navy blue dress, and the brand is called Charles Henry. And it's got some ruffles on the sleeve like this. And it's just like a shift dress, and then it has some ruffles in the bottom as well. I'm not sure about this. I don't go ooh ah over it. And let's see how much that dress is. The tiered ruffle shift dress is $88 by Charles Henry. And the last thing, I have something similar to this. You guys see, it's like a Moto Jacket. I believe it is like pleather. This is Rebecca Taylor. And ooh, this is $895. My goodness, I better take care of this before I return it, because I know I'm not keeping that, simply because I don't wear it. I wouldn't wear it often, and it's not like a jacket that I could wear every single year that I think would, like, that I would justify the price. Like, I have this one Burberry jacket, and I bought it maybe 2 years ago, and I totally justify the price, because every year I go back to that black coat every single year. It's like a timeless piece, you know, because it's like a black pea coat and it's made of wool, so I can wear it in the snow every now and then if it's not too cold. Yeah, but that, yeah, let's yup, $8.95. Nothing wrong with that price, you know. Some people like that, and I surely have splurged on a jacket around that price as well. But like I mentioned, it's something that I would wear over and over and over again, but it feels really soft and it's cute and all. But I have something similar that I got from BC Collection. It's not like that leather, but it's more like cloth, and I like it. It has the same style, the same Moto feel, and it's not that price. But that is what's in my trunk this time around. Trunk Club, honestly, I'm so new to it. I just have had 2 boxes sent to me that I ordered. They're $25, and whether or not I decide to buy anything or not, I still have to pay that $25 styling fee. My stylist, her name is Dominique, and she is amazing. Like, she'll always follow up. She asked me, I think it was back in February, like, are you ready for your new box? And I'm like, honestly, I'm not. I think I might just be a seasonal person. But I think she did a great job in finding like these earrings, this top, as well as this Eliza J. You guys, I'm telling you, if this fits me well, I'm keeping this dress. This one right here, because I had actually seen it, and I've actually been on the Nordstrom site looking at this dress. So maybe it's a sign, like, girl, you need to treat yourself and get this dress already, okay? Go on a date night and wear that dress. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you guys want to join Trunk Club, I do have an invite link. Like I mentioned, everyone has an invite link. Like, anyone can use an invite link to invite their friends. If you want to join Trunk Club and you get your first trunk, I'll get credit. And that's just, you know, if you guys don't want to use it, that's okay too. No worries. I just wanted to include it whether or not you guys wanted to try it. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.